Hi, and welcome to VI Peel's Aftercare app tutorial. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, click sign up on the bottom left. Enter your email address and create a password. If you need to find a practitioner, click here. If not, choose just had a treatment. Fill out all of the necessary information to create your profile. It's important to click Select Date and Time when you choose the date and time your peel was received. And then click Create Profile. The app will prompt you with notifications for your aftercare reminders. Make sure your push notifications are enabled. If you've chosen the wrong peel, you can click here and adjust. If not, go ahead and choose My Directions to get started. Since we're on day 1 of our peel, it's going to take us to our day 1 directions. Here, we'll find all of the steps needed for the first day after our treatment. Let's get glowing. Swipe to the left to transition between steps. Click the arrow in the top left corner to return to the menu. Click the camera icon to take your daily selfie. You can also access the Take a Photo feature from the drop-down menu on the top right. In order to view each daily selfie, click the slideshow to view your daily progress. You can also access frequently asked question forums as well. You can search by recent or most popular. You'll also be able to leave a comment in each forum. If you can't find the topic you're looking for, you can start a new topic. You'll also be able to contact support directly through the app. You will also have direct access to our VI Derm products via the Derm store. And lastly, don't forget to stay connected. Follow us on Instagram to stay in the loop. The VI Peel Aftercare app is now available on the Apple Store and Google Play. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, contact us at marketing@vipeel.com. Happy peeling!